Everyone, in today's video let's have a quick look at what are the wallets that are supported by the DENT blockchain and what are the options as a end user you have. So, you have multiple options when it comes to wallets. So, first is your browser based extensions, which is very user friendly and very convenient. It takes few seconds, but it's kind of a hot wallet. It's whenever you access your browser, it's trying to connect as well. So that's that's one option, and the other option is using a mobile based wallets, which is a sub wallet. So sub wallet is basically a very popular substrate based wallet, substrate network wallet. You can use that as well, and DENT is supported, and the documentation is there for how to set up the sub wallet on your mobile phone as well. So, and you have a Vault app as well, so which is a completely offline based iOS Android app. So, I am not going to look into that, but in a later video I will try to make a video of that as well. And there is a support for Ledger is also coming. So, Ledger is a very popular hardware wallet, and DENT Wireless is actively working on getting DENT's blockchain support for the Ledger hardware device. So, once that is available, then I guess it opens the floodgates for millions of Ledger app users to safely, securely buy DENT and store in their hardware wallets very securely in cold wallet, and that's very interesting. So, now in this video I am going to keep myself confined only to the browser extension support. So, when it comes to browser extension, it is not the best of secure ones, but I found a balance there. So, what I would like, say for example, if you are a Windows user or a MacBook user, whatever laptop or desktop device you are using, what you could do is you could create yourself a separate user account in your desktop and use that user account only for performing crypto related activities and nothing else. So, your normal day to day activities, you would be using your normal user account, and only when it comes to crypto you log into that crypto user account or perform any transaction or check your wallets, and then once you are done you go back to your normal user account. So, that way you can introduce segregation and secure your browser extension based wallets, because 99% of the time you would not want your wallet to be connecting and talking to the internet. So, this is another way of securing it. So, that is what I have done basically. And now let us go to browser extension, and when it comes to browser extension also there are two types of support available. One of them is sub wallet app, which I showed you. So, sub wallet is basically a very popular app which you can download and view as well. So, you can go to their documentation and have a look. You can download the iOS based or the browser extension based. There are two options with this wallet. So, in this video I am going to stick with only PolkadotJS wallet. The reason is it has a wide options when it comes to seeing the transactions and what's going on the blockchain of DENT. So, that's the reason I have chosen Polkadot. I am going to click and go ahead and add extension. So, it takes few seconds to add to your extension wallet. So, my browser that I am using is Brave, but you can go ahead and use Chrome or any supported browsers by the extension. So, I go there, and now there are a few disclaimers. So, read it and understand, and let us continue. So, now you have an option to add a wallet. So, you can option to create new wallets. So, make sure you note down all the seed phrases. This is very important step, and I would recommend paying attention. If you make any mistakes in the spelling mistakes while copying and pasting, that would make sure you won't be able to access the funds later. So, be safe. Make sure you do it in a somewhere safe and isolated place. No one is watching as I am doing now. So, click now and let us give it a name. My first DentX wallet, and then choose a secure password and make sure you remember it, and click add account with a generated seed. So, what I have noticed is this takes few seconds of time, and I do not know why, do not ask me why. There was glitches in the past. So, what I am going to do is I am going to quit Brave and again open Brave browser again, and that opens up all the pages back again. So now I'm going to, okay, so it somehow failed to create my account, so I'm going to do that, repeat this process. My first DentX wallet, and then choose a secure password and verify the passwords and click add account. So now you can see the wallet has been added and it shows the address, and remember this address is not the DentX address. All DentX wallet address start with DX, stands for DentX. So this is your wallet address for your Polkadot address. So now we will have to generate our DentX wallet. So for that, what you need to do is you have to go to mainnet .dentnet, and then you have to type Polkadot.js. So this is the portal for Polkadot.js support from main.dentnet.io. So if I click that, you can see it is now asking my permission to connect to my first DentX wallet, which I just now created. So you click yes and connect the account. So now you are technically connected to the DentNet's main blockchain with your wallet, and now I would be interested to see what's my wallet address is, right? That would be the first thing you want to do. So you go to accounts and click accounts there, and there you can see your, click that my DentX wallet, you can see your very first DentX token wallet generated, and you can verify that against the DentNet's blockchain as well. So you copy that address, and there is a mainnet.dentio./explorer page. So there if I paste this wallet address which I just now generated, and you would see there is 0 balances at the moment, which is fair enough because you just now created the wallet and there is no balance there, and that's your DentNet address that you created. So now let's go back to the Polkadot.js support. So there now you can see your wallet. So if you go to accounts, there you can see. Now I'm interested in doing further interesting things against this one. So if I go to settings, you can change the theme of the settings. So if you want dark theme or light theme, you can choose. So let's try the dark theme and click save. You can see you can change the settings of the themes basically. And then if I go to address book, so I haven't got any address book added at the moment. I haven't added any contacts or anyone's, but it's a very friendly one. And if I want to transfer some funds, I can transfer from my DentNet wallet to another DentX wallet, and I can put whatever amount I want to transfer. So right now I'm not going to do that because I don't have any balance. And now if I go to Explorer, that shows pretty much all the blocks that are, so you see there are blocks generated every second actually, and you can see the same in the DentNet's Explorer page as well. So if I go to show extrinsics, you can see the blocks are generated every seconds, and it keeps changing every few seconds on the fly. So the same you would be able to see on the Polkadot extension as well. So if I go to this extension, you can see here. And now if I want to see some more additional information about staking and how much tokens are staked on the DentX, I can just go there and click staking, and you can see there are 16 validators on the blockchain. So that also you can find here. So you can see 15 total validators, or 15 total validators, and 63 total pool members. This you can go by going to main.dentnet.io/dashboard. So I will definitely attach the links in the description for your reference. So there you can see 15 validators. The same information you can see by connecting your wallet as well. So you can see all the validators. So if I select waiting ones, there are no waiting wallets, so only the active wallets I can see. So you can see there are 15 active validators on the network, on the blockchain. The interesting thing that I want to say is these wallets are having close to 77 million DentX on their wallets, which sounds to me like it's kind of mandatory to have those reserves. So let's check what it looks like on the Dent Explorer. So I copied one of the blockchains and I'm going to see. So yeah, that looks very interesting. This wallet has got 500,000 DentX balance. So now let's see a few other interesting things. So these are the validators, and these validators are used to stake close to 77 million DentX. So basically when you stake your DentX tokens, you are just using one of these validators for staking, and the rewards are generated through those validators. So that's what we are seeing, the 77 million reserve there. So that's about staking, and let's see what are the assets that are there on this DentNet blockchain. So DentNet supports porting of Dent's ERC20 tokens as well. That also you can see there's close to 516 million Dents already. That information also you can see. There are Dent tokens on the DentNet network which is close to 516 million. So yeah, that's why I said the Polkadot.js wallet is very versatile, and you can see quite a lot of information what you could normally see from Dent's blockchain. So that's very interesting. And let's see what's scheduler. I don't know what the scheduler is. And then if I go to event calendar, you can see start of a new staking session happens at close to 12 p.m. UTC. So that's interesting. And now you can see the treasury information. So the treasury information, as can see how much DentX reserve they have, and who are the council members you can see, and the tech committee. So DentX has a tech committee as well. So there are 4 members right now in the DentX community, DentX tech committee. So that information also you can see, and you can see the extrinsics. So basically you can, and runtime calls, I don't know what some of them, I don't know what's going on. So staking is the most interesting part. You can see at the moment 11.2% are staked, and the inflation rate is 4.2%. So that's it for in today's video. So basically you got your first wallet created. You can go into your accounts and you can see your first wallet, my first Dent wallet, DentX wallet, and you can copy the address and you can explore by pasting your first wallet address and search that the wallet is created safely. So that's it for today's video. In another video I will definitely cover on how to install sub wallet and use on the browser extension. Yep, thanks for watching. Have a nice day.